Hey there, in this video I will show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. Number 1. Go to roblox.com. Log into your account. Number 2. Once login, go to the marketplace. Number 3. In here, you can purchase a lot of outfits and accessories. Let us try to open a specific item, like this bandit one right here. Number 4. Let's try to open this item to see its URL. Number 5. As you can see, the code of this product can be seen in its URL. Number 6. Once you have the outfit code of a specific item, don't forget to copy and save it. Number 7. Let's open a new tab. Then search roblox.com/catalog/ the outfit code, which is 206-42008. Then click enter. Number 8. There you have it. Just by the outfit code, we can see the item we are looking for in Roblox. Keep in mind that Roblox might introduce new features or changes after my last update. So, it is a good idea to check the latest resources or Roblox community discussions for any updates or changes regarding outfit sharing methods.